Hi, I'm Scott with Ciel, and today I want to talk to you about something that's becoming increasingly important for homeowners across New Jersey. And that subject is electrification. You may have heard this term before, but what does it really mean? And more importantly, why should you consider electrifying your home? Let's dive in. First, let's talk about the challenge. Many of our homes rely on fossil fuels like natural gas or oil for heating, hot water, and sometimes even cooking. These systems have been the norm for decades, but they come with significant downsides: rising fuel costs, carbon emissions that contribute to climate change, and increasing maintenance needs as these systems get older. Now, imagine your home without these limitations. Imagine a home where your heating, cooling, and hot water systems are all powered by electricity, clean, renewable energy that's increasingly available right here in New Jersey. And that's the promise of electrification. Electrification means moving away from fossil fuels and transitioning to electric-powered systems for all of your home's energy needs. But why should you consider making this switch? There's a number of compelling reasons. First, there's the environmental impact. By electrifying your home, you're reducing your carbon footprint and contributing to a cleaner, healthier environment for everyone. For more and more of our electricity is now coming from renewable sources like wind and solar. Electrification is a very powerful way to do your part in combating this climate change. Second, electrification can actually lower your household energy consumption. Electric systems like heat pumps and heat pump water heaters are incredibly efficient. They use far less energy to provide the same level of comfort and convenience, which means lower energy bills. Plus, with New Jersey's utility incentives and the federal tax credits that are now available, the upfront cost of those systems can be significantly reduced. So, what are these systems? Let's start with heat pumps. Unlike traditional furnaces that burn fuel to create heat pumps move heat from one place to another. So in the winter, they draw heat from the outside air, even when it's frigid outside, and bring it into your home. In the summer, they work in reverse, pulling heat out of your home to keep it cool. Heat pumps are efficient, versatile, and they're perfect for New Jersey's climate. Then there's the heat pump water heater. It works on the same principle, using electricity to move heat instead of generating it. This makes it far more efficient than conventional water heaters, and it's a great option if you're looking to cut down on energy use and save on your overall energy consumption. But like any major home upgrade, electrification comes with its own set of challenges. There's the upfront cost to consider, there's the potential need for electrical upgrades, and of course, there's making sure that your home is a good candidate for these systems. That's where Ciel comes in. A Ciel home energy audit is the perfect first step towards electrifying your home. During the audit, our home performance consultants will assess all of your home's current systems. They'll evaluate the energy efficiency of each one of these systems, and they'll help you to understand the feasibility of converting each one of these systems to its electrified counterpart. We'll also identify available tax credits and utility incentives that can make your transition even more affordable. After the audit, you'll receive a comprehensive report that's yours to keep. It will include detailed information on your home's energy use, specific recommendations for electrification, and pricing on these upgrades. And don't worry, we're here to guide you through the entire process. From the audit to the installation, we'll handle all of the details, including any of the paperwork that's required for the New Jersey utility incentives. We'll provide you with information on the specific tax credits that are eligible for the equipment that you purchase so that you can focus on enjoying your new energy efficient home. So if you're ready to explore the benefits of electrifying your home, the time to act is now. With the incentives that are now available, there's never been a better moment to make the switch. Visit our website to schedule your energy audit, and let's start your journey towards a cleaner, more energy efficient home. I'm Scott with Ciel. Thanks for watching, and if you know anyone who's interested in electrification, please pass this video on to them. If not, We look forward to seeing you on your upcoming Ciel Home Energy Audit. Thank you.